Hi guys, you know, it was really not easy. Nigel. It was not easy in the beginning. Even now, it's not easy because I was unemployed. It was very painful. I found job. It became even worse. Because I found a job. I'm working as a security guard. Security guard in a retail store. Uh, I get paid around $400. Let's say when I convert 800 rand into dollars, it's like $400 if I'm not mistaken. I'm in $400 every month. With this money, I have to look after my parents, my woman, myself, my siblings. You know what? It's a lot. And the worst part is this: at work is not that easy. It's not that easy. You work from 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening. Just imagine you work 12 hours. You go for a lunch of 30 minutes. So, what I can tell you is this, my brother. This is not the beginning and it's not even the end. I'm in the middle. I'm still going ahead of my success. You know what? I can't tell a lot, but all I can say is this: this pain taught me that I have to work very hard towards my dreams. Even yourself, my brother, my sister, I'm telling you, if you don't work very hard, you're gonna work like a slave for someone else. You know, the energy that you put in working for someone else, if you can put the same energy into working for yourself or working on your YouTube, trust me, my brother, your YouTube will blow up and you're gonna make a lot of money. You won't even have to work for anyone. You are going to start your own businesses. You're gonna make a lot of money without working under pressure and forcefully, like working force, like in a forced manner, you see. So I'm not fighting. I'm not saying you should not find a job, you must not work. But all I'm saying is this: if you find a way, most people miss it. They always keep on asking how to make money online. They keep on searching on YouTube how to make money online. How can you search how to make money online on YouTube while YouTube itself can make you even more richer? YouTube can make you rich, and it's gonna make you rich if you can be consistent with making. You just have to find something you enjoy. Just find something you enjoy. Trust me, my brother, my sister, you are going there. So don't forget. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna drop more videos just to motivate you to keep on going forward. You're worth it. The same way you are not different from Mr. Beast. Anyone can make it in life. We all have we all are capable. You just have to believe in yourself.